Hackers are gonna get into your vibe coded app. That's the number one concern everybody has when we talk about vibe coding. And so if you're vibe coding an app for the very first time, here's a quick checklist you can go through that will make sure your app is secure and prevent 99% of hackers from getting into it. The first one is the most simple, and that's API key. Make sure to keep these secure and never expose them to the end user. You're gonna either wanna use some encrypted vault service or just taking any sensitive processing and moving it to the edge or moving it to the server. The second is row level security. Your Supabase or whatever backend you use tables are probably going to be public by default, meaning you need to put restrictions on what rows and what items people can access. It takes about 2 minutes to set up, and it keeps people from being able to access your whole database. The third thing I would do is I would rate limit everything. If you have some API or some backend service that you're reaching out client side, you should always rate limit it. No user should be able to perform more than X amount of operations at one time. And the last thing I would ensure is that you're using the right type of hosting. Platforms like Netlify are able to get you set up with hosting really fast, but they lack the DDoS protection and the proper firewall and security settings for a production app. For production apps, I would use something more along the lines of Vercel or Cloudflare to protect against attackers. Comment vibe code and I'll send you a guide that goes through all the different security considerations when building your app.